Hello, what's up, guys? Welcome back to ReddyControls. Most people think T off timers are just for keeping fans running after motor shuts off. But in real automation environments, T off timers can do so much more. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 unexpected ways you could use the time off delay timers to make your logic smarter, safer, and more reliable, all backed up by real PLC code examples. Let's get into quick recap. A T off or a off delay timer turns on instantly when the input is true, but once the input goes into false, the output stays on for a preset time, say 5 or 10 seconds before it shuts off. That's what makes T off timers perfect for cases where you want to run something to linger after a condition ends. In this video, we're going to talk about 5 use cases